wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the Talent Mono by Wille in the color Caramel Rooted. I discussed this color in a separate color spotlight video, so just kind of keep an eye out for that for when that airs. Talent Mono looks exactly like I was expecting it to look, so that's good. I always like it when the model pic looks somewhat similar to what they're sending. It's a good thing. This is really cute. It's kind of, you know, a lot of the stuff that Wille has been releasing is a little bit retro. This is no exception, but I still think it looks very natural and the layering is very pretty. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Talent Mono looks like on all sides and you can kind of see for yourself. Right at home in this haircut. I think it's very pretty. It's not super curly and the hair density is actually quite light, but I think the layering lends itself to a lot of body if you play with it just for a couple seconds. Now you'd want to get some kind of synthetic safe hairspray, because if you use some of that stuff to kind of keep that volume in place, that will really help reinforce this. But yeah, just play with it for a second or two and it can really do some kind of amazing bedhead. Yeah, this is really pretty. Talent Mono has a lace front. It is pre-cut and the lace is translucent. She also has a monofilament side part. Let me go ahead and take this wig off so I can show you the inside of the cap. Talent Mono by Wille is one of those rare wigs that has a temple-to-temple lace front and a seamless transition, as in this is all one piece into a monofilament top. There is permatease at the crown, and that is to help reinforce the style so it doesn't lay flat. That really helps bring out the most of the layering without it becoming too poofy on top. It's open wefted on the sides, and in the back we have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters as well as closed felt here on the ear tabs. This is a petite average wig. I do think that it stretches all right. It's not painful for me to wear, though I probably won't wear it long because I don't want to damage it. I have an average large cap circumference, but I will say I don't find this to be uncomfortable. It's just snug. So if that's any indication of what you can get away with, especially if you have a true to average cap size, you're gonna be in great shape with this wig. It's gonna fit really well. The nape on Talent Mono is 6.5 inches, so this is a really pretty mid-length cut. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, and this has been the Talent Mono wig by Wille in the color Caramel Rooted. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Hopefully you like what we do here, and if so, we hope you'll stick around by subscribing so you don't miss any of our content. Yeah, I love it. The wig season seems to go on and on and on, so we never run out of stuff to review now. So hopefully you like that too. Have a good night, everybody. Bye-bye.